In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change capital come account currency. The key idea is that instead of switching the currency on an existing account, you create a new account in the currency you want. This keeps your balances separate and avoids unintended conversions, so you stay in control of how your money is held. First, log into your capital.com account. You can do this on desktop or the mobile app. Make sure you're signed into the profile where you want the new currency to live. Once you're in, head straight to Settings. On desktop, you'll usually find Settings in the side menu or under your profile icon. On mobile, look for the gear icon. This is where all your account management options are kept. Inside Settings, open My Accounts. This section shows every trading account linked to your profile. Here, choose whether you're working with a live environment or a demo environment. Live is for real money and real positions, while demo is for practice with virtual funds. Picking the right environment now ensures the new account shows up exactly where you need it. Next, add a new account. If you're in live, select Add Live Account. If you're in demo, select Add Demo Account. This doesn't replace your current account, it creates an additional one alongside it. That way, you can keep one account in your original currency and another in the new currency and switch between them whenever you need to. When prompted, select the currency you want. Common choices include USD, EUR, or GBP. Choose the currency that matches how you prefer to deposit, withdraw, and view profit and loss. Keep in mind that the currency selection can influence conversion costs when you fund the account or move money externally, so aligning it with your primary banking currency can help reduce fees. Availability can vary by region and regulatory permissions, so you'll only see currencies that are supported for your profile. After you confirm, your new account will appear under My Accounts within the live or demo section you selected. From here, you can switch to it before placing trades, or for live, fund it in the matching currency to minimize conversions. Your existing account remains untouched, with its original currency and balance preserved, which is helpful for keeping strategies or reporting separate. That's it. By logging in, going to Settings, opening My Accounts, choosing live or demo, adding a new account, and selecting your preferred currency, you've effectively set your Capital.com setup to operate in the currency that best fits your needs.